I number one cook on Ponderosa, but that no bonanza. I don't know how Hop Sing get named, because I know hop and I know singing cowboy. I know can even ride horsey or do two-step. Mr. Cartlight, he very nice man to work for. Mr. Cartlight, very lucky man. He no work too hard. He have very big ranch here in Nevada. Now, Hop Sing cook for Mr. Cartlight and 3 sons. Later, Mr. Cartlight say he opened steakhouse. Have Hop Sing cook for. Have all-you-can-eat salad bar. What is salad bar? But Mr. Cartwright say older son, he leave Ponderosa because he no get enough money. Why number one son should be paid in first place? Even Confucius no have answer for this one. But number one son, Adam, he say he change name. He go to Korea, become doctor, change name to Trapper John. What is a trapper? Anyway, number 2 son, Hoss. He very big and gentle man. Mr. Hoss always wear 10-gallon hat. Hop Sing think he need a fill-up. Hop Sing think he dim sum. One time he asked if Hop Sing ever make egg roll. I tell him no, Hop Sing no ever make an egg roll. But one time Hop Sing make a milkshake. Number 3 son, Little Joe. He very handsome man and all women likey him. But he no married. Hop Sing think maybe because Little Joe have very strange laugh. Then Little Joe asked Hop Sing if Hop Sing ever laughed so hard tea come up back through nose. Me too. Hop Sing don't understand this. I hope before too late, Little Joe find a nice woman, have many children, settle down a little house on prairie. But Mr. Cartwright, he treat Hop Sing like family, like one his son. No matter. You notice all Mr. Cartwright's son look different? Very strange. Old Chinese saying, man who ride horse a different color end up with pony a different color. Mr. Cartwright, he very smart man. One time Hop Sing have girlfriend. Well, Hop Sing have many girlfriend before her, but this one's special. This one no treat Hop Sing like dog or animal. Treat like real person, like man. Before, only moon and star listen to Hop Sing when sad and lonely. Before, only owl and cricket talk to Hop Sing when quiet and like listen. But this girl, very special. Her voice like singing nightingale back in China. Her skin soft and smooth like Chinese silk. Her touch like gentle butterfly floating onto lotus blossom. Hop Sing never know a girl like this before. So Hop Sing wait very long time, make sure this girl like to marry. Hop Sing no likey rush. Make sure girl honorable, so not disappoint Mr. Cartwright. But when Hop Sing bring girl home for Mr. Cartwright to meet, Mr. Cartwright no too happy. First Hop Sing think maybe Mr. Cartwright think he lose number 1 cook. But I tell him he no lose number 1 cook, but he get number 1 laundry girl because Chinaman no supposed to do laundry know-how. But then Mr. Cartwright no laugh at Hop Sing joke, so something wrong. Then Mr. Cartwright ask if Hop Sing like marry this girl. And Hop Sing say, yes, like marry this girl, have many son like Mr. Cartwright. Maybe even name one Ben. Then Mr. Cartwright smile. But then he no say nothing for a very long time. Then he say Hap Sing no can marry this girl. Well, Hap Sing say yes. Hap Sing can marry this girl, have money for license, have extra space in room for bed. Then Mr. Cartwright say, Hap Sing no can marry white girl. Is against law. But Hap Sing say, no, that white man's law, not Hap Sing law. Then Mr. Cartwright say, if Hap Sing married white girl, maybe sent back to China. Maybe cut off hair. Maybe put on short end of very, very long rope. When Hap Sing hear this, Hap Sing heart feel like water buffalo run all over. Hap Sing wait very long time be happy. Hap Sing come to Gam Sam looking for gold. The white man say it is his gold. Then Hap Sing hurt back building railroad. The white man say it is his railroad. Oh, Hap Sing find girl happy. The white man, Hap Sing no spring chicken. He say to Hap Sing marry Chinese girl. No Chinese girl in Virginia City. No Chinese girl in Nevada. It's easier to win at Fantan and Hog Wild than Hap Sing find new girlfriend. No family in America for Hap Sing. Ancestor in China very angry at Hap Sing for cutting down family tree. When Hap Sing died, who will honor with flower, burn incense, paper money, Atom, Little Joe, Mr. Hoss. When Hap Sing died, who will send bone back to China? Where will Hap Sing bone go?